There we go.
And it's recording.
All right, so here's the
Brilliant.
keyboard.
Cheers.
Do I need to do a sound test there,
Yeah,
Jack?
2 seconds, I'll be with you.
Try and see if I can find the slider.
Hang on.
I think it's
Just turn it on. Go across, then down.
Okay.
There it is.
Yeah, let me know when.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put your last songs in. Oh, by Terry Parker.
Oh, I'm trying to go to the pub
Ah, I can't play that one because it's got the E on it. The Terry Parker one.
Uh, oh,
Yeah.
montage. I didn't think there was anything bad in
Yeah, there
montage.
is on it. Let me
Okay.
see if I can find the radio edited version.
Uh, I know another song from that movie
Hang
that
on.
should be
I might
safe.
be able to save it.
Okay.
We'll try it.
Go on, John.
I'm just trying to think of what that was, what they said. The song was not suitable for radio.
I couldn't.
Not having much luck.
Okay, there's another song in Team America from
Let me go to Team America's album then.
well, most of the songs in there aren't suitable for radio, but there's a song called "Magic Carpet Ride" by Steppenwolf,
Yeah,
which should be safe, I think.
Team America. World Police, yeah.
Yeah, don't know if you've heard that one, Greg.
I'll know it when you put it in.
Ah, that's why.
What's going on?
So the Team America, dash dash dash, yeah, from the Team America world.
That's a different song, which you definitely can't play.
Yeah, that one, yeah.
Yeah, the intro you can't play. I know.
Just the album itself as well.
Yeah, montage should be fine. It's just most of the songs aren't suitable.
Yeah, just reading through the lyrics and montage. Yeah, there's nothing.
It's not really letting me bring up the album either.
It's probably just got a massive red flag next to
Oh, hang on.
Trade Park.
I think I found the clean version.
Hey,
It's by Wishing on the Star, but it might sound.
Uh, that is. Oh, they kind of sound like a song. So is this the cover of the song?
it sounds like a cover, doesn't it?
Yeah, the cover. Oh, that's the album. One side, yeah.
So what's wrong with the original version?
It's got an E on it, so you can't play it.
The only reason I've hesitated is because I don't think that was actually depicted in the movie, the cover.
Yeah,
That's the best way to get it.
maybe go with a magic cap.
Yeah.
Magic Carpet
I want
Ride,
to
yeah.
hear it.
Yeah, that's
That is
that's from Steppen.
yeah.
We just can't record it.
Yeah.
Listen to it.
Magie.
Yeah, if you need to spell Steppenwolf, I can try and spell it for you. It's kind of how it sounds, to be honest.
Yes, it's Steppenwolf, not Team America World Police.
Okay.
It's different.
Well, that should be on the soundtrack.
Magic Carpet Ride by
Steppenwolf.
Steppenwolf, yeah.
Yeah. The only reason I'm picking something from the same movie is because, like I said, I try and have links between things, so it makes it easier to remember. It sounds like the song.
Oh yeah.
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 The disco. Is it disco that they're dancing?
I think they start celebrating once they've
Yeah.
destroyed
King
King Kong.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'll get there in a minute.
Everything else is okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, no. Flagpole.
Yeah, I think worse the language gets, oh, the worst thing in that is goddamn. I don't know if that's that bad, but hey.
By Harvey Danger, yeah?
Yeah. There's some, innuendos and things, but I don't think I think most,
Right.
most songs have some of that stuff anyway.
So let me just check what we got. Then we'll get going.
All right.
So at your intro, then we've got Sarah loves of juice fruit.
Yeah.
Yep. Then
It's Crazy on You.
Crazy on You.
It's
Then we got Breakout.
by Foo Fighters, yeah.
Then we got Queen of the Stone Ages. You think you ate $1?
Yeah.
Millionaire. Rocket Man by Elton. Then we got Firework by Katy Perry.
Yeah. And then it's
Then we got the Magic Carpet Ride. And then to wrap it all up, Harvey Dangers, American Pie, Flagpole.
Sitter,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, yeah.
Cool. All right, let's turn the monitors off so don't get feedback. And then we'll go your sound check. So slide your mic up for me then, Gus.
All right. Hello, hello. Hopefully this is coming through.
Try now.
Hello, hello. Hopefully this is coming through clearly.
Yep.
Yeah, so it's all good. Yeah.
Cool. Yep, and then slide your mic down. That's it.
Okay.
Cool. Right then. Onwards and upwards.
All right. Let me know when.
Yep, I'll tell you when. Three, two, one, up you go.
Hello, this is Gus. I'm back for another set of movie music. I hope you all enjoyed Easter. And the first song in the set is a request from Izzy. The song is Sarah Loves Her Juicy Fruit, featured in Creep 2. I need to remember to keep my finger on the dial. It also sits up straight. Apparently that makes you sound better.
Ah.
That's
Very true. Also, squealing makes you sound better as well.
It's another thing I struggle with.
It is a thing, apparently.
So take off my.
Sunday morning, I woke up to the dawn.
I have seen this movie, but I don't really remember this song in it. Creep 2.
Was it Creep 2 or Creep?
The original.
The original. Is anyone famous in it? Is it
Mark Duplass. He's not that famous. So I told you the thing I remember him from was the series Polite.
Yeah.
He played a creepy character in that, so it seems to be his thing.
Trees took me to a hilltop and jumped into a lake. I kicked off both my shoes and turned.
Don't recognise. Well, don't recognise him. You're right. He has a brother who's also a filmmaker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they do a lot of like indie movies.
Yes.
And when she struggles, then she sounds and she changes. And when something there, to stay the same.
There's another one of those filmmakers who put themselves in their own films to get themselves in films. Yeah. It seems to work, but
She goes.
I mean, it's just a good way to have some fun, really. I imagine, a lot of people aren't happy with the roles they get. So
yeah.
if you can make your own movies, you might as well.
I think when a lot of filmmakers start, they just have to cast themselves and their friends. So the only people they don't have to pay.
Yeah. I told the story about Stallone, how he would always get cast in like brutish characters. I think he said his like breaking point was the movie Death Race 2000, where he played Frankenstein.
Yeah.
I think he didn't like, basically being beaten up by David Carradine.
Yeah.
It's just like, all right, no, I'm not playing the henchman anymore.
It's quite a good film. I mean,
It's very dumb.
it's very dumb.
Quite
Did you
enjoyed
see the remake?
with Jason Statham?
Yeah.
It was fine, but it kind of lacked any of the satire.
Yes.
It was just a serious,
Yeah.
racing movie.
Yeah.
I think it also had Tyrese from the Fast and Furious in there, so they're really trying to capitalize on that kind of stuff.
Yeah, the original's quite different. It's quite
Well, yeah, it's like it's
stylized.
basically like wacky races with like
killing people.
Yeah. It's I'm not sure if this game came out before or after, but do you remember Carmageddon?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
It's basically like that.
I mean, I don't know what year it was. It's 70s, the original film. But still, if I'm ever out on a road journey with certain people, if someone's going to cross the road, 3 points, people still say 3 points.
Yeah.
It's amazing that's stuck in your head for that long.
Trying to think. Sounds like after Sarah Loves a Juicy Fruit, it was
Crazy on You.
yeah, maybe I picked the wrong song because this isn't it. Oh no, okay. This has a long
That's
intro.
a long intro again.
No, this is definitely the song. Crisis Averted. Harold and Kumar were kind of going through the movies I grew up with as a teenager. He's had a weird career, Cal Penn.
Yeah, that's a way to go, isn't it?
Yeah, it's,
Big White House, that.
yeah, they probably saw the way things were going.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, I've got to get out while things are still okay.
Heart. Is it Heart, the band?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's funny because I only really knew the big Heart hits that they had sort of in the 80s. But then if you play like Guitar Hero, there's loads of Heart songs.
Yeah. They're formed by sisters, so Anne and Nancy Wilson, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame is that's to bring not only the female front to rock and band.
That first, what's that first song? Really easy to play on.
I'd love to know any easy
Riders
song.
in the Sky.
No, it's thinking of Anaconda, it's not Anaconda.
Oh, Barracuda.
Barracuda.
Oh,
There we go,
yeah.
yeah.
That's easy to know, yeah.
Yeah.
I've done that on easy, medium, and hard on side.
Yeah. Barracuda is name.
That's when you have to do like the double hammer on bit. Yeah. Oh, right.
Yeah, that was in Charlie's Angels.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Right then, I'll count you down then, Gus, and we'll go through it. All right. So next one after this would be Breakout. Right.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Slide your mic up for me.
And that was Crazy on You by Heart, featured in the movie Harold and Kumar Get the Munchies. And I've got a bit of trivia for Harold and Kumar Get the Munchies, also known as Harold and Kumar Go to White Castle. Well, originally they didn't go to White Castle, or they weren't going to go to White Castle. They were going to go to Krispy Kremes, but Krispy Kremes were kind of nervous about the movie ruining their family-friendly reputation, so they backed out of the project, which created a bit of a problem for Cal Penn, who's a vegetarian, because White Castle don't have any vegetarian burgers, so they had to kind of create their own special soy burger just for him. And yeah, and also the actor Neil Patrick Harris, who plays himself in the movie, was only meant to play a small role, but apparently he improvised so much that they increased, or they made his role bigger, and he returned for the sequels. And yeah, up next is Breakout by Foo Fighters, featured in Me, Myself, and Irene. Yeah, this thing's slipping from my memory as I say.
We got them all right. Yeah, yeah.
I'm glad this doesn't have the intro.
Yeah, I'm going to say it's a great intro.
Yeah.
You make me break.
Yeah, instantly makes me want to watch Me, Myself, and Irene.
Yeah, I don't think this movie did too well, but
It's really funny.
I think the Farrelly brothers is kind of one of their recent movies haven't done so well. I don't think
Yeah,
I think they stopped after the Dumb and Dumber sequel they did, which is great.
yeah, it's sort of toned themselves down a bit. That's where
Yeah, I think they made a Three Stooges movie.
Yeah, I did watch that.
How was it?
It's the thing is, Three Stooges films were never particularly deep, but it's just them hitting each other.
Yeah,
And that's pretty much what it. I mean, it's
they were faithful to the material.
the casting is brilliant. I mean, the Three Stooges themselves were brilliant. You know, they said just like it. It just making that into like a 2 hour film is, you know, difficult. The Three Stooges were only ever like George anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny. It's just not enough to hold you 2 hours. You know.
I feel like it's generally the case of like slapstick comedy. It's fine, it's worse. It's you would
Yeah.
like 2 hour movie. It's 2 hours.
I'm sure it was, maybe they cut it to 90 minutes to make the best. Yeah, it should be 92 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I think that's the wise choice. I think most movies should be cut down to 90 minutes. Except for maybe other movies. It's pretty difficult to make 90 minutes. I've still never seen 4 hour versions. Any of you?
No, I have not.
That's quite interesting. So, in the Three Stooges film, it originally was supposed to be Jim Carrey
Okay.
playing Curly, who's the large, bald
Okay.
one of the Three Stooges.
So what are they put in like a fat suit or something?
Well, I know he gained 40 pounds for the role, but he needed to get up to sort of 60, 70 pounds to pull it off. And he basically said he didn't want to endanger his health.
That's fair enough.
But the cast of Blue was bigger.
Yeah.
But,
I don't really think it's worth putting your body through that for a
no, I mean, Raging Bull. I mean, De Niro doing Raging Bull.
Yeah, understandable.
It's one thing, but yeah,
I know. So Christian Bale did the opposite for the Mechanist.
Oh,
it's like starved himself for it. I shouldn't laugh, but yeah,
he's so thin.
yeah.
It's actually creepy.
Yeah. But De Niro, I mean, Raging Bull, you barely recognisable when he looks away.
Yeah.
Well, but yeah, that's committing, isn't it? That's committing to our little
So what's the alternate name of this song again? You ain't nothing to something or other.
You think you ain't worth $1?
You think you ain't worth a dollar. Yeah, I also remember this song from Tony Hawk's Underground. I don't know.
escaping it, yeah.
Yeah. Tony Hawk is actually in this movie as well. But very much the era of that. Skateboarded as a kid, but then realised it was very difficult.
Not good on the
Not like the video games.
Not good on the ankle.
Oh, okay. That's a fake out.
Yeah.
I think the most I could do was Ollie. That was the extent of my
I don't know
ability.
me. I keep on my skateboard coming down my hill.
I mean, that's fun. Can't, well, I was going to say you can't go wrong with that, but you can
Right,
obviously nag with yourself.
3, 2, 1, go.
And that was You Ain't Worth Nothing But a Dollar by Queens of the Stone Age, featured in Triple X. And I've got a bit of trivia for Triple X. Vin Diesel, who stars in the movie, ended up doing a lot of extreme sports stunts in the movie, but he didn't know how to ride a motorbike, so he spent 3 months learning how to do that. And but one of the stunts he didn't perform in the movie was paragliding and ziplining underneath the Prasaki Bridge in Prague. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce that, but unfortunately, the actor who did that stunt, well, he did it the first time, but then on the second time, he lost his life. The actor Harry O'Connor. So yeah. Up next is Rocket Man by Elton John, featured in Rocket Man.
Haven't seen Rocket Man.
Yeah, it was all right. It was one of the better biopics that I've seen. The guy who plays Elton John, who's also a Kingsman, did a good job.
Did quite like that.
Oh yeah, what is it? Turn Negative.
Yeah.
He's quite good. Yeah.
Yeah, and they were also, acted alongside each other, him and Elton John in the Kingsman too. So
Yeah.
I think he gets abducted or something.
Yeah. That's another
Carry on, Marvin, you need to book something for the day.
film I saw the notes.
Just remind me, yeah. Can't forget.
He did look like John though. He did a good Elton John.
Oh yeah, he pulled it off.
Which is the key.
Yeah.
The Whitney Houston biopic was on TV the other day. And it was, I think it just suffered from the fact that she didn't really have any resemblance at all. Yeah.
It's like the guy that's on Freddie Mercury as well.
Rami Malek.
Yeah.
He didn't really look like him, but he had
managed to have the mannerism.
Yeah.
Or something. Yeah, he must have really studied it. Yeah.
We've got a lot more to work with Freddie Mercury.
Yeah, he's quite a flamboyant, out there.
Yeah.
I think he played it well. You know, I mean,
Yeah.
you know, I only listened to that movie because it came out from my life.
Well, the one that done Cilla Black as well. Was her.
Oh, I don't know. Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she pulled that off.
Oh. She was in 2 pints of lager and a packet of crisps.
Oh, what's her name? Yeah,
Before she was famous.
it's the blonde one, isn't it? Yeah. Give it an R.
Sheridan Smith.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
There you go.
Or the one that done Tina Turner that she pulled that off.
He said, yeah.
Yeah, that went down. Yeah, really well.
I'm gonna pass it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing anyway.
Yeah, she's great.
Such a good actor.
You've still not seen the Kurt Russell Elvis.
No, I couldn't
Yeah,
find it.
it's never on TV. No, he's very good at it.
Yeah, I wanted to watch it because, like, you know, I like Kurt Russell, I like John Carpenter.
The reason you don't see it is it's one of those. It is a TV movie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it never got cinema release. So the TV movies disappear.
Yeah.
No one sort of gets the right sort of thing to up. But, unless they're so good that they actually release them in cinema.
Yeah, true.
one of the TV movies I remember was Existenz, the David
Oh.
Cronenberg film.
Oh yeah.
Debuted on like film 4 or something, I think. Could be wrong.
I haven't seen it, but I know the
Yeah,
premise.
I enjoyed it. So with Jude Law and Willem Dafoe.
The only one I know they've got in cinemas was Duel, the Steven Spielberg first film. That was a made for TV,
Okay.
and it was so well received that they actually put it out to cinemas for Europe and UK, and
Yeah.
so you can't see that now. It's
Can you guess what the link is between these two songs? Probably won't get it.
right.
Why am I taking so long?
Wow.
It has something to do with William Shatner.
Has he covered both? Yeah, we can just watch.
But he hasn't covered this. No. I would love that though.
So his Rocket Man is outstanding. That's one of the funniest things I've seen.
Yeah, well, basically, they both him and Katy Perry have been to space, so in their mind, that's where they come from.
I did not know that.
I do like that. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot to chat about that space. Yeah.
Yeah,
Is he the oldest? He might have. Did that qualify as the oldest astronaut?
for sure. But none of the old astronauts who went to the moon returned to space.
I've just got a shot at Rocket Man through.
Might have been at like the height of his ego.
The weird thing is that clip, he's introduced on stage to do it by Bernie Taupin, the guy who actually wrote Rocket Man for Elton John.
Okay.
So he had got his backing,
Okay.
and then he comes on and does the
Really weird.
it's
But
really weird
Yeah.
interpretation thing. He does Common People by Paul. the colour version.
Okay.
It's exactly what you'd imagine it to be. But,
Have any of you seen the interview?
No.
Yeah.
the film.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. The song was used quite well.
Yeah.
For a second, I thought you meant like Katy Perry's face interview.
Oh.
Like,
I haven't seen that. Is that controversial in some way?
Yeah, if we're watching this, you're thinking, how are they actually getting away with making this film?
All right then. Here we go. Last two. Ready?
Let me know when.
3, 2, 1. Off we go.
And that was Fireworks by Katy Perry, featured in The Interview. And I've got a bit of trivia for The Interview. Kim Jong-un was not a fan of how he was portrayed in the movie, and threatened hostile action or war or something along those lines if the movie wasn't removed from cinemas. And it was removed from cinemas, and but Barack Obama, who was the president at the time, commented on his disapproval of Sony Pictures removing it, um, basically giving in to the demands of a tyrannical man baby. But the movie was later released on streaming. Up next is Magic Carpet Ride by Steppenwolf, featured in Team America: World Police.
I don't think he even came across that bad, did it, Kim Jong?
I mean, to be honest,
yeah.
the thing is, like, the actor who played him was just like very charismatic. He kind of stole the show to the point where I actually kind of felt bad for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like it actually humanized him in a way that, like, I think he's obviously just takes himself way too seriously. So, yeah.
I mean, the idiot in it is James Franco.
Yeah.
He just.
I think he may have been cancelled.
Well, I was going to say, I don't think he's going to be making anything.
When,
The Austin Powers as well, wasn't it?
maybe. Sounds like a very Austin Powers song.
Yeah.
It's got that vibe.
Like the 60s kind of. Right.
Yeah, this bit. But he's on the dance floor, so
I feel like every song features probably a bit in like 5 other movies.
Yeah, yeah.
before he gets into the Jag.
Is that a bad thing? Anything I should be concerned about?
Right. Offering you AI assistant like everything ever.
One of the things that ruins the current version of WhatsApp on PC.
Just give you AI.
Well, yeah, they've just completely restructured it around that. It's messed it up.
Yeah, I only really know this and Born to Be Wild by Stephanie. But they're two really good songs that are very different. It makes me think of it probably listen to more Stephen, figure out the rest is there.
So you play the guitar as well,
Yeah.
John. Do you recommend any easy songs for like a beginner?
Easy 3-chord songs, or
Yeah, well,
so you've got some Elvis ones are really good ones. Some Elvis songs.
I don't think I can sing all this.
No, I can't sing it. I can't sing it. I can't sing it. I can play them, but I can't sing them. Some blues numbers are really good. Very 3-chords. So any blues numbers. There's quite a few out there. Oh, this one's really difficult. So all the
It sounds
Yeah.
tricky.
the bass line's alright, but playing normal chords on the guitar is really difficult. And on the last song.
This feature.
Yeah.
Just to be fair, they did a lot of seasons of theme show.
But we want to talk about doing one like a peep show, but having moved it on like 10 or 15 years. But probably not to get Olivia Colman back. That's the problem. But
So that person who's played the Queen.
yeah.
Yeah.
Is she a date now?
Yeah, she's a date,
She
yeah.
must be, yeah. And an Oscar winner, so yeah.
Yeah, like her character became more and more of a degenerate as the show.
Yeah, she was. I mean, it was still at the front when it says, "No one's nice in it. There's no one to root for. Everyone's just horrible."
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy who played his love rival, who was the old
John, oh, the
Yeah.
character's name.
Neil, he was in Phoenix Nights. Played the DJ now. I think he co-wrote Phoenix Nights as well. But he was brilliantly horrible.
Yeah.
But they definitely fall into the one-hit wonder category. Harvey Danger. I think they sort of
Oh yeah, I don't know any of
one
other
really
songs.
good song and then disappeared.
Right.
Well, that's better than most bands you'd ever get.
Well, okay, one hit's better than
Okay,
no
so
hit wonder.
here we go for the final time.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, off you go.
And that was Flagpole Sitter by Harvey Danger, featured in American Pie. And that was my set for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back next week. Bye. What for I managed to maintain a straight posture. Tried my best. Another thing to work on. The thing is, is the mic down here? I'm kind of bending over as if I'm trying to reach
So,
it.
higher up next time.
Yeah, just to kind of force me to
We can
sit
do
up straight.
Apart from that, take a bit higher.
Okay.
It will still pick you up. You don't have to necessarily lean in close to it.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Because they're so sensitive.
Yeah, these mics are so sensitive. They even pick they pick Kerry up when she's at the third bar door. The other
Yeah,
when
we
you
used
walked
to be
in.
able to hear, if I turn the mic on and have headphones up, you would have been able to hear at the other end of the building.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can even hear the cars out of the main road.
Far too sensitive. We need
Yeah.
to turn them down.
I do when I record stuff in the garage at home. I've got a neighbour who's 3 doors down.
Can you hear?
And I can hear if she comes out of the house and
Yeah.
starts
Yeah,
talking to people.
with the phantom
Just-
mics, yeah.
That's all you can hear.
Yeah, phantom mics, they are very sensitive.
Can I have the keyboard?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, let me just sort this out.
Okay.
Because for some reason, like, this little trick again. It done his little thing again when it goes, oh, I don't want to record anymore. And then, yeah.
I saw I watched you save it, don't worry.
All right. Goodbye, those watching on YouTube.